Hey guys, so I cut all my hair off. Went really short, and this is the result of it being straightened and then me sleeping. It was pin straight yesterday, and today it's not, but that's just me. But I'm here for a haul video again, and this is another watermelon haul, which I can't believe there's so many watermelon products coming out right now. Like, honestly, I didn't expect it with it being, you know, winter, but I'm quite enjoying it, honestly. So we have some new products here from Clean and Clear. I've actually found these they have them at Walmart and Target, and they have them other places too, but that's where I ended up picking these up. So there's 3 products. The first one is these watermelon wipes. And we'll see at some point. I'll do a video comparing these two. The watermelon juicy scrub gently exfoliates and hydrates dry, thirsty skin, oil-free hydration. The package even has, I don't know if you can see that, but it's fake little water drops, and it's all the way around. This little shiny spots. So it says it gently buffs away dirt, oil, and dry skin while boosting hydration. So we're going to give this a try. I have not used it yet. And then the last one, which was the hardest for me to find, is the watermelon gel moisturizer. And what I like about this is its container and the fact that you pump it like this and it comes out. I really like that pump. I hope it's something I can reuse. I have not tried to open it because I'm afraid of breaking it. But that is what comes out. It's really thin. We'll go ahead and put it on since I'm not wearing any base makeup. If I turn red, it's not the product, it's me. I do that anytime I put something on, even just water. So what I'm hoping is with this that I can dupe the Purlisse Aqua Bomb. Because Purlisse is so expensive. These are only like $5.98 each from the Clean and Clear product line. Also has the fake water drops. The wipes have pictures of water drops, but not like fake ones like the plastic packaging does. I'm really hoping this will dupe the Aqua Bomb because that stuff is expensive and I love a good affordable dupe. So I actually ended up picking up 2 of these and we're going to use them, and I'll do a comparison review once I'm done. So that is this watermelon haul. This is all the products that I picked up. But thanks so much for watching this quick video. I will see you later. Please like and subscribe and check out my other videos. I'll see you later. Bye.